So the Dove shampoo and conditioner is on sale for 2 for $8. Now in our inserts we got 3 off of 2, but there is currently a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. So you'll end up paying $4, but you do get a $1 cash rewards when you purchase 2. So it comes out to be just $1.50, $3 total, or $1.50 a bottle if you want to do it. I actually am going to do this deal because I've been wanting to try Dove in a long time, so that's going to be my next shampoo to use. So we have the TRESemmé on sale for 2 for $10. Now there is a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, or there is a 5 off of 2 insert coupon. You'll just pay $5, but it doesn't show it on here, but you will get a $5 register reward when you purchase 2 of them. So it comes out to be absolutely free for 2 of them. So there's 2 different scenarios. We're going to either do the $4 off toothbrushes or the $5 off toothbrushes. You got the $4 off toothpaste and $5 off toothpaste. And then we also have the $4 and $5 off mouthwash. There's actually 2 different digital coupons that you can use. So if you want, you can use the 3 off of 2. If you want to do the $4 deal, you use the 3 off of 2. You'll pay $5, but then you get a $5 register reward back when you purchase 2 of them. Comes out to be free. If you want to do the $5 deal, this is where you spend $10. You can do that. You'll pay $7, and you'll end up getting $5 back, making them $2 each. Or if you want to use the 6 off of 4, you can either buy 4 of the $4 off ones, but you only will get 1 register reward. Or what I would do is buy 1 $4 off one and 1 $5 off one, or 2 $4, 2 $5. You'll end up using that 6 off of 4 digital coupon. You'll pay $12, but then you get $10 back here and $10 back here. So it comes out to be just $2 or 50 cents each, or however you guys want to do it, but that's the deal that I'm going to do. I'm going to stock up on mouthwash. So there's 2 different deals that you guys can do. I'm going to tell you this, but I say pass on it. So we got the Colgate for $3.99. You want to use that $2 off digital and a 50-cent off insert. You'll end up just paying $5.48, but then you get a $4 cash rewards when you purchase 2 of them. Comes out to be $1.48. Don't do that. But here's a better deal. It's a money maker. So here you can do the $2.99 toothpaste. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you guys want to use, plus we have a 50-cent insert coupon. You end up paying just $3.48, but then you get a $4 register reward when you purchase 2 of them. Comes out to be a 52-cent moneymaker. So this Febreze plug-in is on sale. My store never puts these on sale, but they are $3 on sale, and then we have a $3 off digital coupon. So you guys will get the plug-in absolutely free. Who loves a free plug-in? So here we have the Palmolive for $2.49 and the Fabuloso for $2.49. As far as I know, there's no digital coupons or any coupons out there, but you'll end up buying 2 of them. You'll pay $4.98, but then you get a $2 cash rewards when you purchase 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1.90. Comes out to be just $1.49 each. The Purex is buy one at $6.49, get one free. So I would not do this deal because you guys can usually get these for like $1 or $1.99 most of the times. But if you need some, you can pay $6.49 or $3.25 each. So the Whitman sampler is on sale for $10.99, and then we have the Russell Stouffer's for $9.99 at buy one get one free. We also received some $1 off 2 coupons, so you'll either pay just $9.99 for 2 of these or $8.99 for 2 of these, which could be a decent deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. So here we have the Snickers on sale for 88 cents. You'll pay 88 cents, but there's actually a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta. So you'll get this for just 63 cents. And then we also have the Baby Ruth and the Butterfingers on sale for 79 cents, which you'll pay 79 cents. There's both a 25-cent rebate for both of them. You'll end up just getting these for 54 cents each. So the chicken broth is on sale this week for 2 for $1. But we did receive some coupons for this size, but they're not on sale. But if you guys need some chicken broth, 2 for $1 is actually a pretty decent deal. Okay, so the the General Mills cereal is on sale for $1.88. We do have a $1 off 2 digital coupon, but it will not let me click it. It just says there's something wrong, so I can't do this deal. I'm gonna see if I have a paper coupon, but I probably don't. But if you can get that coupon to work, you'll just pay $2.76 or just $1.38 each. Okay, good news. I found a $1.50 off a 3 insert coupon from our 10th Smart Source, I think it was. But you'll end up paying $4.14, but you still get each box for $1.38, which is still a great price. Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share with you guys the deals I got at Walgreens. I really do not like that new ad. I don't like it, you guys. If you still don't like it, constantly complain to Facebook. Do your little customer survey thing. I think I'm gonna fill this out and tell them how I hate the ad. I don't like it. It's so confusing because I don't understand if you're gonna get cash. Sometimes you do understand, but some of them you don't. So I'm just saying, if you guys don't like it, keep complaining because it's ridiculous. But anyways, I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So as you know, I love General Mills cereal. That is my go-to, especially Lucky Charms. That's what I eat literally every single day. These are on sale for $1.88. You guys would end up, there's supposed to be $1 off a 2 digital coupon. As you see, it did not work for me. It was not clipping, but I did find $1.50 off of 3. So I ended up doing that. So you'd pay $4.14 if you have the 3. You'd pay $2.76 if you have the 2. But it ends up still becoming $1.38 each. So I'm like, let's get some cereal. My kids love eating Honey Nut Cheerios. I should be probably eating more Honey Nut Cheerios than everything else. But yes, I do also want to share with you guys your free photo. I post videos all the time when I find the free 8x10. This quality is just really, really bad. It's not the greatest quality at all, but you know what? I'm not complaining because it's free. If I have to reprint it out, this was last weekend. My brother got married and this is all of us. Benjamin just absolutely loves his sister. So not the greatest quality, but that's okay. I'll just get it reprinted if I need to. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. So now we're gonna dig in and show you the deals. I ended up getting my son a little Mario hat. He is super obsessed with Mario, so I thought this would be a great little hat for him to wear this winter. So here is some Ibotta deals if you guys need some candy bars, even though we probably don't need any because Halloween was last week. I was gonna say Easter. But these, the Baby Ruth and the Butterfingers were on sale for 79 cents. You guys would pay 79 cents for this, but then there is a 25-cent rebate for the Baby Ruth, and there's also a 25-cent rebate for the Butterfinger. Better not touch my Butterfinger BBs. But you each get a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these each just 54 cents each if you guys need some candy bars. Then we have Snickers, which these are 88 cents. You'd pay 88 cents for these, but then there's a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making these just 63 cents. So that's 3 Ibotta rebates right there if you guys are trying to get like the Weekend Warrior or however. Now this is a great deal for toothpaste. So these were $2.99. You want to use a $2 off digital and a 50-cent off insert coupon. You would end up paying $3.48, but you do get a $4 register reward when you purchase 2 of them. So it ends up becoming a 52-cent moneymaker for these 2 toothpaste. Yes. And then I did the Dove shampoo and conditioner. I haven't used Dove shampoo and conditioner in forever, and I'm kind of just trying to think maybe if this would help my hair a little bit. So these were 2 for $8. We do have a 4 off a 2 digital. Otherwise, there is a 3 off a 2 insert coupon. So it depends on how you guys want to use this. But you would end up paying $4 with the 4 off a 2 digital coupon. You receive a $1 cash rewards with what you get back. So it's going to be just $3 or $1.50. And you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you get points for that. I forgot to say the General Mills, you also get points for Fetch Rewards and you also get points for the box top. So make sure you guys, you know, I just got 30 cents for my son's school. So not everybody does it, but I try to do it when I remember. So anyways, got my free Febreze plug-in. Now this was on sale for $3. You use that $3 off instant coupon, or digital coupon, sorry. You guys would get this for free. Don't you just love getting plug-ins, but we never get hardly ever the plug things? Yeah, I know. It's kind of sad. Anyways, so I ended up doing this deal. I ended up buying 2 of these Crest Clean Mint mouthwash, and then I bought 2 of these scopes. Okay, so this one was $5 and this one was $4. Now there's 2 different scenarios that you guys can do. If you're gonna do this one at the $5, you can use the 3 off a 2 digital coupon. You would end up paying $7, but then you get a $5 register reward, making them $2 or $1 each, okay? If you do it this way, these were $4, or these were, yeah, $4. You use the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $7 for this. No, you pay $5 for this, but then you get a $5 register reward, making these free. But I had a 6 off of 4, so I wanted to take advantage of what I got. Sorry. You would pay $12 for 4 of these, and then you get a $5 register reward for this one and a $5 register reward for this one, making them again $2 or 50 cents each. But I think, you know, 50 cents each for 2 big bottles of mouthwash is a great deal. So here's the thing. I only had 1 register reward print out. The other 2 I did not. And I think it's because I used a store coupon register reward to pay for them, and they didn't print off, but the cashier did give me $10 worth of points. So just give you guys a heads up. There are some that say store coupons, and there are some store ones that say manufacturer coupons. I like the ones that say manufacturer register rewards. I'm just saying I like those ones a little bit better. Okay, and I think I got one more deal to share with you guys. Is this it? Is this it? Yeah, that's it. The other 2 are the mouthwash. So I got the TRESemmé. This is an easy freebie for you guys. These are 2 for $8. No, 2 for 10. 2 for 10, sorry. 2 for 10, you want to use a 5 off of 2 insert coupon or digital coupon. You would pay $5 for this, but then you get a $5 register reward when you purchase 2 of them. So it comes out to be free. And again, one of, like I said, she gave me $10 in points, 1 for the TRESemmé deal and 1 for the Crest deal, because I didn't get the register rewards for that. So, and it says it right here that I got my $10 in points. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. I had to do 2 separate transactions without the employee discount. My husband works for the company. So I had to do 2 separate I did 3 transactions, and 2 of them without the employee discount, because it was a spend 10 deal, and with the discount it's not a spend 10 deal. So anyways, my total came to $27.77. I ended up receiving only $1. I dropped my phone. I ended up receiving only $1.40 in points, which is okay. I received technically $19 worth of register rewards, the $10 in points that she gave me, and then I got a $5 and a $4 register reward. I received 75 cents with Ibotta, 75 cents, and did I get approved of it? Yes, I did, 75 cents. And then I scanned my receipt for the Dove and the General Mills and the TRESemmé, so I got 192 points, which is 19 cents. Yay! Paid not for my taxes. Anyways, my total was $6.43. I got 17 items at just 37 cents each. I think that's a pretty good deal, considering I always have a hankering for cereal. Like, that's my goal. I feel like I could eat cereal all day long, anytime, all throughout the day. Like, I'm always hungry, and I eat cereal. I'm like, why? I just love cereal that much. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Help me get to 50,000 subscribers, you guys. 50,000. When I checked last night, I was like 90 away. Let's see what we're at. I am at 49,920 subscribers. I need 80 more subscribers to hit 50,000, and once I hit that, I'm going to be doing some giveaways. I'm going to Richmond, Virginia on Thursday with some other couponers. You'll have to see who is with us. But I'm hoping to reach 50,000 subscribers while I am there, so we can all celebrate together. So help me get that. Help me, you guys. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.